Good evening. Taking advantage, clocks have changed, lighter evenings, so heading to a location that I've been meaning to go to for a long time to try and do a sunset shot. It's definitely going to be a nice sunny evening. Unfortunately, not going to be a lot of cloud on the horizon, I don't think, but taking advantage because this is basically on my route home from work, so I'm taking advantage to check it out and hopefully get some shots on a Monday evening. So make our way up to the top and then I'll show you where I am. So nice to have these lighter evenings again, so you just don't feel like you're going to work, coming home, not able to do anything else, and then go to bed, go to work again the next day. At least with the lighter evenings, gives you the opportunity to be able to get out and do something. Whether it's just for a walk, get some fresh air, out with a camera, or whatever other activities you enjoy. But life's too short to sit in watching telly. You need to get out. Okay, here we are at top of Cheddar Gorge. Just waiting for the sun to go down. Got Cheddar Lake, Cheddar Reservoir off in the distance, and the gorge down below me. Driven up through this many a times. Didn't realise quite how high it is up here. Makes the head spin a little bit, but we're here. Okay, opting for a composition that think several people have used before, looking down into the S-bends of the gorge down the bottom. A couple of rocks here in the front, and then we've got the setting sun, which is still quite high in the sky in the moment and glowing, but it's a bit hazy on the horizon, so the potential of getting a bit of light is definitely there. So looking good. It is so sketchy having your camera this close to the edge of there. I can't say I'm liking it too much. Okay, whilst the light's just shining on these rocks and the grass on the front here quite nicely, I've just taken a foreground shot that I'll be able to blend in afterwards once the sun goes down, and I can get a bit more of a sunset shot, a bit more without that glow. But that's about another quarter of an hour away yet. Oh man, this is sketchy. I didn't realise this was so high as this. It's making my head spin a bit. I don't mind heights, but not when I'm right on the edge. My wife's going to kill me when she sees this. This is going to work out really nice, because looking across from where I am, it's Crooks Peak, where I've done some videos before, and the sun is going to set right behind that. Okay, so I'm exposure bracketing f11, ISO 100, so taking the shutter speed up to get the sky. And bringing it back down again. Focusing in the center. And I've already got a couple of foreground shots. And there's some shots of that side with the light just bouncing off of it earlier on. So we're now a few minutes away from sunset, so looking nice. Okay, so last one ticked off the bucket list. I've been meaning to do for ages. Admittedly, I chose a composition very similar to others I've seen. I'm sure there's other compositions to be had there. Just need a bit more time to explore and check a few out, but there's definitely more options, I'm sure of it. Not just with the gorge, but just with the view from up here, looking out over Cheddar Valley, Cheddar Lake down there, over to Brent Knoll, back over to Crooks Peak. Just some amazing views, really. So anyway, all for one shot tonight, which I'll put up at the end of the video. So hopefully you'll like it. Then come back and check out the channel again. Until next time, if you like what you're seeing, please don't forget, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to keep up with latest content. Give the video a thumb up, that would be very much appreciated, and drop a comment down below. Like I say, it's always great to get some feedback. So from the top of Cheddar Gorge, till next time, take it easy.